Step 1. Combine 2 cups of masa harina with 1¼ cups of warm water in a large bowl. Step 2. Mix the masa harina and water with your hands until a soft dough forms. Step 3. Knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes until it is smooth and pliable. Step 4. If the dough is too dry, add a tablespoon of water at a time until it is the right consistency. Step 5. If the dough is too sticky, add a tablespoon of masa harina at a time. Step 6. Cover the dough with a damp cloth or plastic wrap and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 7. Divide the dough into 12 to 16 equal-sized balls, about 1.5 inches in diameter. Step 8. Place 1 ball of dough between 2 pieces of plastic wrap or parchment paper inside a tortilla press. Step 9. Press down firmly on the tortilla press to flatten the dough into a thin circle, about 6 inches. Step 10. Carefully peel off the tortilla from the plastic wrap or parchment paper. Step 11. Heat a dry como or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Step 12. Cook each tortilla for about 30 to 60 seconds per side, or until lightly browned and slightly puffed up.